If you are a teen and want to find work, watch this video as we show you a side hustle that allows you to earn money by selling stuff on the internet. Our focus is Google Lens to help source and list items for sale. Stay with me as I demo Google Lens and how to leverage it for sourcing and listing items on e-commerce platforms like eBay. I'm Kat, your host. As a teen, especially if you're under 16, you have to be creative in identifying ways to earn money. Our parents, when they were our age, used to have garage sales to sell stuff. Today, we use e-commerce platforms to do that. In our case, it is a side hustle, so we are going to keep it simple. We are only selling items from our household or extended family households, or our best friends. Your parents or an extended family member will have to do the registration process as a team member with you. There are plenty of videos out there showing how to register to sell on eBay or most successful platforms. This is what we are covering in the next 3 minutes. I'm going to do a short demo using Google Lens. If you can operate your smartphone camera, then you can use Google Lens. Next, Dr. Boomer is going to discuss why Google Lens is a must-have for selling on e-commerce platform. Finally, I will discuss how to download Google Lens. I'm going to comment on the first item, but quickly show you the flexibility of Google Lens for sourcing, pricing, and a description for 2 additional items. And here we go. Google Lens matches the photo I took to what is on the internet and reads the e-commerce site with similar items and gives me prices and where it is being sold. I will want to compare what Google Lens offered to what eBay says is being sold.
We're now going to look at 2 other examples. This is for a car lift. Google Lens found examples of a car lift for sale and allowed me to zero in on price and a description for a possible listing. Finally, here's an example of a semi-rare comic book. Again, Google Lens gives me a quick access to pricing information. So bottom line is that what could have taken hours or days now takes just a minute or 2. You can always confirm pricing with eBay or any other commerce platform. Okay, Kat, show us how to install Google Lens.
There are a number of good videos out there showing how to download Google Lens. The team reviewed 10 and picked 2, one for iPhone and one for Android. Here they are. These videos are short, sweet, lots of reviews, and recently done. Downloading and getting Google Lens up and running is easy peasy. I hope you liked our video on how to use Google Lens for selling through an e-commerce provider. Thank you for watching and look for us on our next videos.